Ever wondered how migratory birds travel thousands of miles without getting lost? These incredible creatures use the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun, and even the stars to find their way. Their journeys are nothing short of miraculous, showcasing nature's incredible navigational skills. Some birds, like the Arctic tern, travel from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, covering over 44,000 miles. This epic journey is the longest migration of any animal on Earth. Their endurance and navigational prowess are truly remarkable, making them the ultimate long-distance travelers. Birds like the bar-tailed godwit can fly non-stop for over 7,000 miles without resting. They rely on stored body fat for energy, losing up to half their body weight during the journey. This incredible feat of endurance highlights the physical adaptations that make such long flights possible. Climate change and habitat loss pose significant threats to migratory birds. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these species and their migratory routes. By understanding and supporting these efforts, we can help ensure that future generations witness the awe-inspiring journeys of these remarkable birds.